Today, we are exploring an incredibly easy-to-use resource for UI development. This isn't your typical component library. Instead, we've got a goldmine of accessible, customizable, and open-source UI components. And the best part? There's no complex installation process. To seamlessly integrate these components into your next.js application, head over to the installation page. There, you'll find the CLI command tailored for NPM users. Just copy this command, run it in your project directory, and you're all set to bring these outstanding components into your next.js app. We will opt for the standard configurations. This action will lead to the creation of both the lib and components directories. Within the components directory, you will find the native Shadcn components. Let's proceed with the installation of an accordion component to verify its functionality. To accomplish this, copy the CLI command provided for npm installation and execute it in your terminal. Additionally, it is crucial to ensure the installation of the necessary dependency components. Once it is done, in Components UI, you can see the native Shadcn components. Now you can just copy the base accordion component from Shadcn and paste it in your components section. Now let's import the accordion component to our page.tsx and see if it works. And there you have it, your accordion component from Shadcn.
So that's it for this video. Please do hit on that like button and also do consider subscribing for more future videos like this.